Abaiga babwatania chiga ibikore samba chiskuru bigendete kwenekirwa emeyense oguno kuburia OMOWAZIRI wechiseme Julius Ogamba asatebire goika kalenda ya masomo yetamweyiga ya kabere ebwatigwe
Nigo bono hase arache gose abarukiwa barache kogenda humutimo kwase tamwiga gochakira chitariki 24 goika 25 cy'umutinyoiga OMOWAZIRI ngosi nigo boigo OENEKIRIE buna serikali yochia gotegerera hokugania kwa abarukiwa school ya Kenya.
A shared responsibility as education sector players, ranging from the government, the parents, guardians, our leaders and community leaders, policy makers, school heads and teachers, to ensure that our education system serves the best interests of our children. It is our duty, and I dare say a thankless one, to nurture our children in the to grow them into law-abiding and responsible citizens that will continue to contribute positively to the development of our country and not to destruction. Government and other stakeholders, we wish therefore to announce the following measures going forward. To establish and address underlying causes of this perennial challenge of student unrest, we shall be forming a multi-stakeholder team to review the causes of unrest and make recommendations on strategies for stemming this challenge. The midterm break of the 2026 school year is as scheduled from the 24th of June 2026 to the 28th of June 2026. Parents spend time with their children for them. Any grievances should be articulated appropriately and shared with schools and other relevant authorities for action. Schools shall urgently convene consultative parents' associations meetings to review the state of affairs and learners' welfare in their respective schools. The schools shall strengthen safety measures and address any concerns and grievances that learners may have raised before the end of the half term. The schools shall also intensify guidance and counseling programs and strengthen learner grievances handling mechanisms.